and later over here taking a picture with Harry Potter and with Harry and Hermione and Ron and you and Mommy and you and Daddy are
pooping in their pants.
Are looking around for us, and we don't we don't see you, and we're taking a picture, a long picture, because it's Harry Potter world, and we're looking around. We want to hug, and we don't see.
Ouch! Okay.
And we don't see you. Then we could run to Hagrid or Dumbledore or not the guy with 2 faces.
And what would you say to Hagrid or Dumbledore or not the guy with 2 faces? What would you say to them?
Poop in your pants!
Toby, no.
I lost my family.
And what if they said, well, what? Do you know what your phone number is?
And I'll say 702-338-0309.
Good job.
Does anyone want a pencil?
Good job.